Hello YouTube vintage stereo collectors, restorers. This is the Luxman L210 on the bench, on the kitchen table. Just been doing a few small things on it. This lens here, this is the power light. It was very loose. If you would have pushed hard enough, it would have just fallen right in. And there's a type of foam on there that basically, on some models there's 3 lights here, and it just keeps it from the light from diffusing and lighting up the buttons and stuff. So I just used some of that craft foam and glued it in, and that should be just fine, using clear craft glue. Right now I'm just looking at this power switch is sometimes not turning on, and let's just see what's going on. What we'll do is we'll just snip the wires off of it. You can snip the capacitor off of it and replace that. You end up with that. I've actually got a few of these switches, a couple new ones. Let's see what we can do with it. It feels okay, but it's not always turning on. Let's see what the contacts look like inside. Just lift these here. Keep your hand on it because there's going to be a spring and sometimes a ball bearing that will fly out. So I'm keeping the thing together as much as I can. Like that. Oh, I see what they can. That's weird. A lot of these don't have tabs there. See, I think they didn't want you to fix the switch. These days, sometimes parts are just getting so hard to find and stuff. It's not even funny. Okay, there's that. This switch is very, very dry inside. Take this little thing off. Oh, the contacts. Very pitted. Very pitted. This one's been turned off and on many, many times. See, we can burnish it. Let me get you a clear field of view on that. I was using my little file here. I used to use this on different things like ignition points. Anybody remember ignition points? And it's dry, and this switch is really dry. That's how it works. That slider there. Let's try something a little different. A little piece of this emery paper, emery sandpaper, whatever you want to call it, doubled over. I'm going to get a little bit of light duty grease to put on the slider. That's a little bit, about that much. This lithium number 2 is fine on this. Remember which way these parts went in? Like that. And then this. That feels kind of lousy. Let's put a little bit of that. Should have wiped off my tool so quickly. A little bit just on where it slides. Okay. Crimp it closed, maybe a bigger set of pliers. Very good. This one still isn't clamped down. Put the spring back on. Not bad, not bad. Getting better as I move it. Let's just check it with a meter. I got a meter here. Okay, that's what we want. So, just have to strip these leads. Got capacitors in here. It's a 0.01. So you can either go with that one or replace it. I'd probably replace it. Those ceramic ones usually last forever. And that's it. Thanks for watching and listening.